Have you ever felt lost, wondering what you are actually interested in? What fields should you pursue? What skills do you already have but you just haven't realized yet? Well, guess what? The answer is already in front of you, and today I'm going to show you a simple way to find it using YouTube itself. YouTube isn't just for entertainment, it's a mirror reflecting what you truly enjoy, and I will show you exactly how to use it to discover your hidden interests. So let's get started. So here's the real trick. You see this bar just below the search? This is automatically personalized based on what you watch the most. You can see in my categories, you can see website, editing, AI, e-commerce, gaming. Okay, now these are the things that I'm most interested in and I search the most on YouTube, collecting data from it, right? So now take a moment and think, do you search for certain topics over and over again? Maybe you love watching coding tutorials but never realized you actually enjoy programming. Or maybe you have always watched dropshipping videos but never considered trying e-commerce yourself. This method isn't just for curiosity, it's a roadmap to your future skills and passions. Now what you know, what excites you, start learning and experimenting. The things you watch for fun could be the start of your next big skill or even your career. So as always, I'm watching you from afar and rooting for you.